Hello everyone, this is Unit 9 Psychology and Sports for class 12th of Physical Education. In this unit, we will discuss today on the second part of the dimensions of personality. First part we have discussed already in our last video. Now we have to concentrate on the second part of dimension of personality. So as per the H.J. Eisner, there are three type of the dimensions of personality has given, and on the behalf of that three type of the dimensions we are try to understand the dimensions of personality by given H.J. Eisner. So in the first dimension of personality, that is extraversion. Extraversion means that type of the personality or that type of the individuals, those who are interested in the mostly socialism. It means they are mostly try to focus in the society, and they are try to go in a groups of the society or groups of the friends to discuss some extraordinary things, and they are just going to involve in some extraordinary or extra type of the things. Means they are having mostly the leadership type quality. They have to try to speak in a friends group or the in a social groups always regarding the politics or regarding the any other topics which is related to the socialism, and they have to just try to come forward than the others in the group or in the society. That is the most important quality of the extraversion. Next type has come neuroticism. Neuroticism, in this dimension, that type of the people or that type of the individuals has come which are most emotional persons, or we can say they are having a high intensive emotional experiences. They are mostly, we can say, the sensitive in the nature, and they are mostly face the anxiety and negative emotions mostly in their life. And due to that, generally it is expected that individual high in nutrition might be more likely to use drugs in order to reduce or avoid negative emotional states. So we can say also they can go on a wrong track due to the high intensity of the emotions, and they have to face the problems of anxiety and depression. Next one has come psychotism. In this category, the very important thing is that they are just taking to already high risk in their life, and they are having some due to the high risk, or they are ready to the high risk. Due to that, they are sometimes behave just antisocial way, because the personality that personality is related to psychosis led to characteristics of aggression mostly, and the antisocial behavior and the impulsive actions mostly. So that type of the individuals has come in that psychotism. So these three type of the dimensions has given by the H.J. Eisnick. These are the three type of the dimension of the personality. Thank you.